One popular method that has gained traction among aspiring entrepreneurs is dropshipping. This business model allows individuals to set up an online store without the need for upfront inventory investments. Instead, dropshipping enables entrepreneurs to sell products directly to customers, while the suppliers handle inventory management and shipping. We will explore the ins and outs of dropshipping, discussing its benefits, key steps to get started, and some valuable tips to maximize your chances of success. Understanding dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where store owners don't keep products in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third-party supplier who ships it directly to the customer. The merchant never sees or handles the product, making dropshipping an efficient and cost-effective business model. This allows entrepreneurs to focus on marketing, customer acquisition, and building their brand. Advantages of dropshipping. 1. Low startup costs. One of the significant advantages of dropshipping is its low barrier to entry. Unlike traditional retail models that require substantial upfront investments in inventory, dropshipping allows entrepreneurs to start their businesses with minimal financial risk. 2. Wide product selection. With dropshipping, entrepreneurs can offer an extensive range of products to their customers without the burden of managing physical inventory. This flexibility enables you to test various niches and adapt your product offerings based on market demand. 3. Location independence. Dropshipping offers the freedom to run your business from anywhere with an internet connection. As long as you can communicate with suppliers and market your store effectively, you can operate your dropshipping business from any corner of the world. 4. Scalability. Since you don't need to worry about inventory management, dropshipping allows for easy scalability. As your business grows, you can scale up your operations without the constraints of physical storage or warehouse limitations. Getting started with dropshipping. 1. Choose a profitable niche. Research and identify a niche market with potential demand. It's crucial to select a niche that aligns with your interests, as this will help you stay motivated and engaged with your business. 2. Find reliable suppliers. Look for reputable suppliers who can provide quality products and reliable shipping services. Consider factors like pricing, product range, and customer reviews when selecting your suppliers. 3. Set up your online store. Choose an e-commerce platform that suits your needs and offers dropshipping integration. Customize your store with an appealing design, clear product descriptions, and intuitive navigation to enhance the customer experience. 4. Market your store. Implement effective marketing strategies to attract potential customers to your online store. Leverage social media, content marketing, search engine optimization, and paid advertising to drive traffic and generate sales. 5. Optimize for conversions. Continuously analyze your store's performance and make data-driven improvements to optimize your conversion rates. Streamline the checkout process, provide excellent customer service, and encourage customer reviews to build trust and loyalty. Tips for success in dropshipping. 1. Prioritize customer service. Providing exceptional customer service is crucial for building a reputable brand and fostering customer loyalty. Promptly address customer inquiries, resolve issues professionally, and ensure smooth communication throughout the buying process. 2. Monitor competition. Stay informed about your competitors' strategies, pricing, and product offerings. This knowledge can help you identify gaps in the market and adjust your business tactics accordingly. 3. Continual learning. Stay up to date with the latest industry trends, marketing techniques, and e-commerce best practices. Engage in online communities, attend webinars, and read relevant blogs or books to expand your knowledge and stay ahead of the curve. 4. Analyze and adapt. Regularly analyze your business metrics, including sales, conversion rates, and customer feedback. Use this data to identify areas for improvement and implement changes to enhance your store's performance. Dropshipping presents an enticing opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs to make money online without the burdensome costs and logistics associated with traditional retail models. By understanding the fundamentals, leveraging the advantages, and following best practices, you can establish a successful dropshipping business. Remember to stay persistent, continuously adapt your strategies, and prioritize customer satisfaction. With dedication and diligence, you can unlock the potential of dropshipping and pave your path to online business success.